Hello everyone, my name is Rahul Upadhyay. I'm the Network Administrator of the Indian Cybersecurity Solution. So today I will be show you how to work the Telnet server in our network topology and the network diagram. So we have start the configurations, not the configuration. We just told you the today's is the theory part, right? The what is the Telnet concept here, how to work the Telnet here, right? I have one office in my Kolkata branch, okay, and there is the office in my Pune, and this is my Delhi side. So there is the any casualty create in the Delhi and there is the Pune. So in this one network administrator is appointed to the Kolkata branch. So at the same time the network administrator is not go to the Delhi and Pune. So that time we are use the telnet service. So how it works is the network topology and is how it work is the WAN technology, right? In the through the internet how it works. This is I told you that today is the theory part, and next part 2 we are come to the configuration with the telnet. Okay, so we start the concept here. Okay, so please see it. So what is the telnet server here, right? So you think I have a two office, right? I have a two office. Okay, I have a two office. One is my Kolkata, right? This is my one office here. Clear? This is my one office. There is the Kolkata. Clear? Okay, there is the Kolkata, right? And one office is my one office. There is the two branch. One is my Pune and one is my Delhi, right? This is my main branch. Okay, this is my main branch. Clear? Right? So this is my main branch. Okay, and this is my Delhi branch. Okay, this is my Delhi branch. This is my just wait, just okay. This is my Delhi side, right? This is my Delhi side. Okay, this is my Delhi side, and this is my Pune. This is my Pune. This is my Pune side, right? Okay. So and middle of this that okay, the internet is connected here. Clear? There is the internet connected, right? So internet connect here. Okay, and my main branch is connected to the internet. My main branch is connected to the internet. Okay, and this the internet is connected to the Delhi. Okay, and this the internet connected to the Pune branch. Okay, so this is my internet. So next, okay, in the Delhi side, right, and Pune side, okay, there is have some problem, clear, in the network. So at the same time, I can't go to the Delhi and I can't go to the Pune. So that the situation. What we are doing that we are doing this is the Delhi side. There is the one main router here. Is the one main router. This is the Delhi side. There is the one main router here. Okay, this is my main router. And it is the Pune side. There is the main router here. Okay, all the main router in the Delhi side is the main router. Okay, we are configure the telnet. We are configure the telnet service. Okay, we are configure the telnet service, and Pune side also we are configure the telnet service for the remote connection. Okay, so this the router have configured the telnet service. Okay, this the router is configured the telnet service. When any issue and any problem creating in the Delhi and Pune side, okay, we can open the main branch router and we can start the connection with the telnet. Okay, start the connection of the telnet. Okay, and see the what is the issue is there. We can take the remote connect to the router. Okay, we start the telnet service and connect the remotely to the Delhi side and Pune side. Okay, so these types of server, okay, is called to the Telnet server. Thank you for watching my video. If you want to know anything, please visit our website indiancybersecurity.solution.com. Bye bye. Have a good day.